Shankaracharyamunishwarasamārambām Nityanandeshwarimmadhyamām Asmadacharyaparyantāം Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. And I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Sarvajñapita Yajamans, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world. Through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live and YouTube Live. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. All I can say now, we are all filled with Sadashivoham. I am seeing so many people achieving the power of integrity by working for Sadashivoham, and all the cunning fellows, bluff masters, who lived their whole life by bluffing, are dropping out by not able to cope up with Sadashivoham. Now I am really seeing, literally seeing, Sadashiva himself is classifying and clarifying. When somebody chooses for him with will persistence, he empowers them. They are showered with powers. When somebody is choosing for Maya metrics, bluff masters automatically drop out. Today I wanted to explain love from the context of Maya metrics. Understand, listen, the definition. The emotion, excitement, which makes you feel oneness with people or animate or inanimate beings or situations, is love. Emotion or excitement which makes you feel oneness with people or animate or inanimate beings or situations is love. With love, everything will become alive. Understand? Without love, even human beings around you will look only like a furniture for you. You can use them or dump them. With love and integrity, actually love is a powerful thing which brings you integrated. Anything you love, you will be integrated to it. You can see in your life, anything you are in love, first thing you will decide, I will be integrated to it. Internally, the decision you make. If you love a dog, you decide, I will be integrated to it. If you love a plant, you decide, I will be integrated to it. If you love a concept, you decide, I will be integrated to it. Whether you are integrated to it or not decides whether you have love for it or not. Actually, integrity is the casual, understand this word, casual side effect of love. Anything you love, you will just be integrated to it. If you love the master, you will be just integrated to him. If you love Sadashiva, you will be integrated to him. Anything which brings oneness in you with animate or inanimate beings is love. I am seeing Sadashivoham is invoking so much of love in everyone in multiple directions. I want the whole global Sangha start aligning all your thinking, action, living, everything for Sadashivoham 2016. And today the ground is getting prepared. The Kurmasana is established on the Nityananda Sabha, where the Sadashivoham is going to happen. The rituals are starting. The Meru Standila is getting established. And left and right, the spiritual alchemy products are getting made. When I myself was initiated into the spiritual alchemy product, my master who initiated me, he took 6 months to make one garbha. And after all that, what he gave, I can say maybe having 10 volt spiritual energy. Now, very comfortably I can say, the garbha I am sharing with you guys, easily 10,000 volt spiritual energy. And the funny part is it is getting mass produced. Mass produced. It's amazing how everything is getting ready. Earlier we were planning 108 feet Sadashiva, Mahasadashiva's deity in Navapashanam. We will be having that, and plus 54 feet complete granite Mahasadashiva Murti is getting ready. It will be a single largest granite Sadashiva deity in the world. It will be 54 feet tall, 540 ton weighing. Work has begun. Just 48 hours before I decided, already we identified the stone. The deity, the stone in which the deity is going to be carved, it is identified. The work is starting. Soon you will see the completion will be happening in Bangalore Adinam. In front of the side of the Vaidya Sarovar, where the open ground is there we will be having an open air theatre, and the Sadashiva, Mahasadashiva will be occupying the main stage. 21 feet tall, 36 feet long Nandi. When you come here for Sadashivoham, you can have the darshan of deity getting carved. I don't think they will be completing it before Sadashivoham. The work will go on. It may take up to 8 months to 1 year because it's a complete granite work and single piece granite. But you will be able to see the Shila, means the stone in which the deity is getting carved will be. The deity will be installed in commemoration of Sadashivoham 2016. Because this Sadashivoham 2016 is going to be a historical spiritual event for the planet Earth. Historical spiritual event for planet Earth. In mass scale, spiritual alchemy products getting ready, preparations happening, and we are moving planets to make Sadashivoham 2016 happen. From today, we will be having dialed avatar calls also. And from today, the Nityananda Yogam participants are also going to have the process along with Garbha. Today, Nityananda Yogam participants will be given the Garbha. I am just looking around from all directions. One side for temple, all the things needed, the other side kitchen and construction, sacred arts, deities, the way from all corners of the world, material things flowing into this campus, and all the gods and goddesses being invited, invoked as to prepare for Sadashivoham. Don't miss the most exciting, highest spiritual explosion, especially when it is getting prepared. When it is getting prepared, I can say our Bangalore Adinam is now the most happening spiritual city. Most happening spiritual city in the world. In every direction, every corner, things happening. So I decided I'll open my doors for volunteers from today. Whoever wants to come and volunteer till Sadashivoham, please understand, I will not be able to invite you for Nityananda Yogam because Nityananda Yogam is a separate program I designed for specific purpose. Already the number of people I can handle Nityananda Yogam is filled. So Nityananda Yogam, the vision for the Nityananda Yogam is what I experienced with Arunagiri Yogeshwara. I want these participants to have at least glimpse of it. Surely they are having much more than a glimpse, but I want them to experience that. That is the purpose. So I do not want to dilute the purpose of Nityananda Yogam by opening it to all. And first of all, equality is not uniformity. Understand? How you hold me, you will be held same way. That's all is the equality. That's the right integrity. So, Nityananda Yogam is surely created for a different purpose. But anybody who wants to be part of this whole excitement happening, I don't want to shut my doors on you. I am opening the doors. You can join from today, latest November 1st. till November 1st, anybody can come and be part of the volunteering team and just sign up in few minutes. The sign up form will be up and alive. You can sign up, then we will formally send an invite and you can be here till January 1st. The volunteering will be from November 1st to January 1st because the whole preparation and completion, it's one of the biggest celebration for manifesting the cosmic powers in cosmic scale. Mahasadashiva, celebrating the presence of Mahasadashiva and Sadashivoham 2016, and the energy it is generating and radiating unimaginable. I just want you, all of you to come here and experience the excitement. Yes. From today we will be starting the Dial Devatar, everything for Sadashivoham. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Be blissful.